Hi, this is Shakia Bruce, presenting technologies for personalized learning. Using technology to support personalized learning is not just for quote unquote technology integration. So, personalized learning is not just about using technology. Now, don't get me wrong, technology can be used with personalized learning, but does not necessarily have to. And it also depends on how you use it. Utilizing technology with personalized learning has to provide the students with options in how they demonstrate mastery and allow them to pace themselves on their educational journey. Today, I will share with you 4 tools that can be used, how they can be used to support technology, as well as discuss their strengths and weaknesses of each tool. Let's get started. So today we'll discuss 4 tools, as I previously mentioned. ClassDojo, which is a class management and electronic portfolio program that provides personalized learning and collaboration. Schoology, learning management system that supports personalized learning through collaboration. Read Theory, which is an adaptive approach that fosters improvement by automatically meeting learners at their own individual ability levels. And lastly, but certainly not least, ummymax, to close individual learning gaps through individual progress monitoring. ummymax is accessible to all K-12 learners to help close individual learning gaps in literacy and math instruction. Every student is assigned an initial pre-assessment that provides a current grade equivalency level. For example, if a student is reading on a 3rd grade second month level, it would say the student's GRE is 3.2. Following the pre-assessment, students will be automatically assigned lessons that address their weaknesses and track their progress to master each week skill individually. Some of their strengths are that it closes learning gaps in foundational skills through individualized progress monitoring, rewards students for achieving individual learning goals, tracks and monitors time on the program, and provides individual reports, as well as it is adaptive. Some of its weaknesses are that it has a yearly or monthly subscription. It is required, it is not free. Each subject, ELA or math, is priced differently, so you would have to purchase both if you need be. Well, how do I apply this to personalized learning? ummymax can be used during a center rotation because it is adaptive and it will meet students where they are by providing them with one-on-one assistance as a teacher would and activities to help build missing foundational skills. An effective intervention should be used for 30 minutes 3 times a week. Students also enjoy a friendly competition. When they meet their individual goals, graph their progress in the classroom, or reward them with something special. This will motivate them to practice their skills more often. Now we're moving to ClassDojo. ClassDojo provides electronic portfolios. It's accessible to K-12 learners because it provides them with their own accounts and they're able to create a digital portfolio that demonstrates growth of their own learning journey. Parents, students, and teachers are able to comment on student work by giving them instant feedback, encouragement, or just simply to congratulate for a job well done. This is a free program. It supports strong and effective collaboration amongst parents, teachers, and students. It allows students to display their product that demonstrates mastery, and it provides students with many options of how to post their schoolwork. For example, you can use a video, you can record a sound bite, you can use a picture or a document. Some of their weaknesses are that it can be used for K through 12, but it's more catered to the younger students, K through 5. Electronic portfolios are also not able to be printed. classroom application to personalize learning? Well, ClassDojo electronic portfolios can be used during center rotation. If students are completing a puzzle or matching games during their center rotation, they can take a picture of the completed project and then post it to the electronic portfolio. Students can use their electronic portfolios to write self-reflections of where they are in reaching their goal. Teachers and parents can comment on student posts to provide extra support or advice. Students can record videos at home asking questions about homework or any other projects so that the teacher is able to see it on her cell phone, tablet, or laptop and be able to respond instantly. Schoology. Schoology is a learning management system and is accessible to K-12 learners by providing them with a platform where their teacher can post content, discussion starters, homework help, and more. Students will be able to continually refer back to content posted on Schoology so that they have continued support throughout their individual learning journey. Some of Schoology's strengths are that it provides a discussion board for effective collaboration amongst all stakeholders. That would include parents, teachers, students, and anyone that is helping the student on their learning journey. It serves as a house to hold grade level content. It's free. It includes drop boxes for student submissions, and it integrates with over 200 Web 2.0 tools. Some include Google Classroom, BrainPop, Nearpod, and many others. Some of its weaknesses is that it is accessible for K-12 learners, but caters more to secondary and high school learners. So when using Schoology for younger learners, parents would want to be heavily involved so that they can guide their learners with using this platform. It can be used in a blended learning environment. It serves as a tool for a flipped classroom. Teachers can create online videos and post to Schoology to review skills and strategies for future reference and support with homework. Parents or learning coaches can be an active participant in the classroom with Schoology. Teachers should post content videos and resources, homework documents and assignments, discussion questions, and much more. Lastly, there's Read Theory, which is an adaptive comprehension tool with technology. Read Theory is accessible to K-12 learners to help build comprehension skills and build reading stamina. Upon initial login, students are presented with a reading assessment that determines their current Lexile level and grade reading equivalency. Students are then provided with guided reading passages and comprehension questions that are on their level. When they achieve a new grade level or raise their Lexile level, they are rewarded knowledge points. The students love to gain knowledge points. I've used this in my own class several years, and it has been proven to be successful. Strengths, it's free. It builds reading stamina. It strengthens fluency. It's self-guided. And it also rewards for attaining individual goals. Some of the weaknesses include that it does not provide printouts of guided reading passages, just in case you wanted to print something from Read Theory for a small group activity. It's not linked to common learning platforms such as Google Classroom. And unfortunately, there's no communication tool embedded for ongoing support. How can we apply this in the classroom to support personalized learning? Where Read Theory can be used as an intervention in an ELA center rotation. Teachers can develop a specific number of knowledge points that each student should attain by the end of the week and crown the winner. Read Theory can be used as a home intervention where parents work with their parents at least 30 minutes 3 times a week to help close missing foundational gaps. To summarize everything, all four of these tools, Schoology, ummymax, Read Theory, and ClassDojo, can be used as an added technology component or resource to personalize learning. Each tool has a component that allows the student to guide their own learning through self-reflection and self-pacing. Remember, personalized learning does not mean that you're only relying on technology, but it means that you use the help of technology to allow students to guide their learning journey while the teacher facilitates and supports the student along the way. Thank you for tuning in today.